This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play with friends on Ark Survival Evolved PC Epic Games. First, make sure everyone has the game installed through the Epic Games launcher. It's crucial that all players add each other as friends directly within the Epic Games social overlay. Also, double-check that everyone's game version is identical. Mismatched versions are a common reason for connection problems. This initial setup ensures a smooth start to your multiplayer adventure. Once your friend is hosting a session, you can easily join them. Launch Ark Survival Evolved and navigate to the Join Ark option on the main menu. From there, you can filter the server list by unofficial PC sessions or specifically by friends to locate their game. Alternatively, if your friend sends you a direct invitation through the Epic Games overlay, simply accept it to jump straight into their world. It's a straightforward process to get into the action. If you want to be the host, select Host Non-Dedicated Session from the main menu. This creates a private game where you control the settings. Remember to set a password to ensure only your friends can join your world. A key point for non-dedicated sessions is the tether distance, which is about 200 meters. This means other players cannot stray too far from the host, so plan your explorations accordingly for the best experience. For a more robust and unrestricted multiplayer experience, consider exploring dedicated server options. Renting a dedicated server provides a persistent world that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when you are offline. Crucially, these servers eliminate the tether distance, allowing all players complete freedom to explore. You can also join unofficial community servers, which often have unique rules and larger player capacities, offering diverse gameplay for bigger groups of friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.